say, at the swallow. Winnie, oh, my meaning, I can't be doing the affairs if I consume. Wabla when he, Father! Yes! If killing me is gonna take this pain away, then do it! If you say something, you cry like this, you provoke me to cry.
I mean, where exactly are you going? Why are you coming? Who's with you?
I'm blind.
Sorry, sorry. Okay, come, okay.
Kasachireno. Someone Casanchina. Dachi Bino. Ebe Hadrin. Jace Power. Emma.
And some way, ya wa flemia o pali in a said it. Obiatra apologize, didn't come out be now or catch them. Say, I'm a man any day. It's your mamma, no more papa. And yes, I'm too a papa, so. And ye dee, my dear.
You didn't tell me about fear, understand? Maybe I'll be catch or say, catch a baby not what say. On stay away from me, brother.
Mammy, what bought them? Who's your answer?
My sister came here to insult you.
Who? What is that? If you haven't seen me, if you are going to cock up,
who gave you the audacity to go to my fiancé's house to insult your parents?
I did that and I'm going to do it again.
Okay, listen.
I've been searching everywhere for you, all over the village. Please come back right now and let's go back home.
Go and tell whoever sent you that I'm not coming today or tomorrow.
Joe, stop this insolence and come with me right now to the house. Your sister needs you. What is wrong with you? Huh?
Okay.
What we had is getting off. Okay? You and I can move. Don't touch me.
Joe, is it because of child?
Give her the chance to prove things right.
I need peace and I'm not going for that Gladys girl of yours. Listen.
Come on, Joe. You can't do this to Gladys because you and I know how much you love her and you can't afford to turn that love to Henry now.
Joyce, will you marry me?
It's not as if I don't love you. You know I really do love you with all my heart, right?
Yes, I do.
I love you so much. But it's just that I don't want to see you suffer.
I didn't take too much. Yes. What? I said use my eyes. Joe, I can do it. I said use
Come
my
on,
eyes.
I can do it.
No, I mean just use my, okay? It's my eyes and
Joe.
No! My Joe can see.
It's Joe.
Joe!
Joe. What happened to my brother? Are you killing me?